I'm so excited to show you our latest Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner. It's a digital planner designed with mothers in mind that runs from August 2022 through July 2023. A mom needs a planner so she can balance and prioritize all her family's schedules, long to-do lists, and responsibilities. But not just any planner. If she has a digital planner on her tablet that syncs to her smartphone, she's always got the plans of her family's full life at her fingertips, everywhere she goes. As you can see, this planner has a beautiful soft seasonal color palette and simple botanical graphics. It comes with 174 original pages that are full of month plan dashboards, monthly grid calendars, Monday start weeks at a glance, and templates. Tons of templates. In fact, 28 pre-designed templates come with this planner. We released this August start Motivate Me Mom's Planner in the summertime for families who like to plan for the American school calendar year that begins in August. We also have a version that runs January to December for all of you who prefer to plan a new year starting in January. We continue to offer both versions of this planner with New Year updates releasing every July and December every year. Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. I want to show you the great design and easy to use features of our latest Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner. Think of this digital planner as a super upgraded paper planner that can be full of as many pages as you need with easy access to all of your plans. It's even got 4 customizable sections for extra family members, for special hobbies, or work. The most frequently used icons are here at the top of your planner. This planner has a Today button where moms can store those daily family schedules and refer to them easily. There are 2 daily scheduled templates included in the planner. They both allow for scheduling multiple family members. Or for this template, you can write across the top. This question mark icon might be where you want to start when your planner is new. If you're new to digital planning, you'll appreciate all that we've done with this planner to help you get started and to really help you get to know this planner so you can use it more efficiently. We have this linked index that helps you learn how the planner is organized. Answers to your frequently asked questions, icon labels, and step-by-step instructions for adding pages, as well as a link to our YouTube channel. These month tabs along the right-hand side are one way to access each month. Press a month tab and you'll land on a motivational verse for the month. Swipe left for that month's dashboard. Swipe left again for that month's grid overview. And continue swiping through all that month's weeks at a glance. Notice also that when you are within a month, the side tab is highlighted. On any month's week at a glance page, there are also links at the top which would take you back to that month's grid calendar Or from the grid, I can tap on any date and jump back to a week at a glance, or use the month dashboard link at the top to go to that month's dashboard page. The gray category tabs are your access to category sections where you can store pages that pertain to that category. We've got meals, budget, wellness, make, home, celebrate, go places, note, and future categories. Note that on each category landing page, you'll also have access to that category's pre-designed templates, or you can make your own template for that category. The year icon will take you to a page that helps you see the whole year at a glance, with US holidays listed here. You can access all the dashboards, monthly and weekly calendars. I like to use the highlighter tool on my year at a glance to mark the weeks that we've got school breaks. The circle month icons are linked to the month dashboard pages. I like to use dashboards to get all of the ideas and priorities I've got swimming in my head down as lists. The bold month names are linked to the grid overview for that month. Now back to the year at a glance, we have access to the weeks that are numbered and listed in the left column of each month. So you can tap a week number, or you can tap on any date to go to the Monday start of that week. It's great to use a digital planner for plans that change, because if anything needs to be moved, it's simple to select it and move it to another time or day, or even to another week. On the year at a glance, we also have bonus links that take you to the birthday and anniversary list page that is stored in the Celebrate category section. Or there's also a link to the Future section that has a calendar on its landing page for all of August 2023 to July 2024. This year we have an all-new template that we've added, which is the bonus blank month grid. You can use this for plans that are in the works for next year, so that then you can copy it when you get next year's planner and it will line up. Or you can even put these month grids in our 4 custom category sections for different family members. The last top icon is our blue plus icon, which takes you to the page of all the extra template and bonus pages that come with this planner. There's not time to see them all in this video, but you can check them out on our store at blessingbydesign.com. These are the links to the 28 pre-designed templates, but we also have 15 create your own blank template pages for each of the categories. So if one of our pre-designed templates isn't quite right for you, you can use the tools in your app for laying out a new template. And finally, here at the bottom are the bonus pages, which are dot line grid patterns, a checklist page, and that blank month grid page. Whew, that's a lot of options and ability to customize this planner. I hope that you're now feeling excited and motivated. So click the store link in the description below so you can read about all that's included in this planner and get started organizing today. But be sure to have fun, relax, and enjoy this amazing journey that your family is taking together. Thanks for watching. Be blessed and have a great day.